Hello, have a good day. Today we will start the new subject, that is the Internet of Things. Uh, we will study about this Internet of Things. The first thing we have to go. What is an Internet of Things? Now, before going to this all the things, we just to uh, let's look closely at your mobile device, which contains the GPS tracking. Now, mobile gyroscope, that adaptive brightness, voice detection, face detection. Okay, so your mobile is containing the different things. One is the GPS tracking, another is mobile gyroscope, है ना? Another one is the adaptive brightness, है ना? Voice detection, face detection, etc. So this component have their own individual features. But what about this all communicate with each other to provide the better environment? For example, the phone brightness is adjusted based on my GPS location or my direction. So, connecting everyday things embedded with the electronic software and sensors to internet, enabling to collect and exchange data without human interaction, that is called the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is nothing but is the network of physical objects or the people that call the things that are embedded with software, electronics, network, sensor that allow these objects to collect and exchange the data. So the term things in the Internet of Things refers to anything and everything in day-to-day life which is accessed or connected through the Internet. So IoT, Internet of Things, is an advanced automation, or you can say analytics system, which deals with the artificial intelligence, sensor, networking, electronics, cloud, messaging, etc., etc., to deliver the complete system for the product or service. So the system created by IoT has greater transparency and control and performance. Now we have this. We have the platform such as cloud that contains all the data through which we connect all the things around us. For example, a house here. See this one, a house. So this house where we connect our home appliances. These are all the home appliances. These, and these one. These are all the home appliances, such as air conditioner, the lights, or the other devices through each other. And all of these things are managed at the same platform. Since we have a platform, we can connect our car here, this car. So this car track its fuel meter, this one, or the speedometer, speed limits, speed levels, and also track the location of the car. So this is the Internet of the Things which we are having with that. So if there is a common platform where all the things we can connect to each other, we would be great, because based on my preferences, I can see the room temperature. For example, if I love the room temperature to be set between 25 to 26 degrees Celsius, and when I reach back to the home from my office, then accordingly to my car location. My AC would start before 10 minutes. I arrived at home. So this can be done through the Internet of the Things. This is the Internet of Things. Now, question is arising, how does Internet of the Things IoT works? The working of the IoT is different for different IoT ecosystems, that is the architecture. However, the key concepts of the working are similar. The entire working process of IoT starts with the device themselves, such as smartphones, digital watches, electronic appliances, which securely communicate with the IoT platform. And the platform collect and analyze the data from all the multiple devices and platform and transfer it to the most valuable data with the application to devices. So in this way, the IoT is work. Okay, thanks for today.